All system of units. All we had studied about CGS system. What is CGS system? C for centimeter, G for gram, and S for second. It is a Gaussian system which is the basic unit of length, mass and time. Centimeter, gram and second. FPS, foot, pound, second. FPS means foot, pound and second. MKS, meter, kilogram and second. MKS means meter, kilogram and second. So these are the basic units which are used in which are assigned for mass and length in different countries. Okay. When MKS system is extended to electricity, then current is fundamental quantity which is known as ampere, and it is taken as MKSA system. Okay. The above systems have some drawbacks and problems. So they had used the SI system of units, okay, which are more scientific and convenient by and accepted by all the countries. So what is that SI units? We will study the international system of unit. So the full form for SI unit is international system of unit. Okay. To make experiment and measurement scientific and convenient, French Academy of Science in 1792 designed a metric system of measurement based on decimal system. But in October 1916, General Conference of Weight and Measurement adopted an international system that is known as SI unit. Okay, system international units in French, which means international system of unit. Okay, some basic unit we will study. 7 base units corresponding to the 7 basic physical properties. That is length, it is given by meter, mass, kilogram, kg, time, second, S, current, ampere, A, denoted by A, temperature, Kelvin, K, luminous intensity, Cadilla, CD, amount of substance, it is mole. Okay. Now these are some basic unit. What is that one? Basic unit. Now derived units. Some derived units. Okay. Force, Newton, symbol N. Pressure, Pascal. Work energy, Joule. Power, Watt. Frequency, Hertz. Electric charge, Coulomb. Electric resistance, Ohm. Electromotive force, Volt. So these are the some derived unit with special name. Remember these are symbols N for Newton, Pa for Pascal, J for Joule, W for Watt, Sz for Hertz, C for Coulomb, this sign for Ohm, and this is for Volt. Okay. Now some units we will study this one. Okay. Unit of length. The SI unit of length is meter, and 1 meter is been defined as the length of the path traveled by light in vacuum during a time interval. That is 1 upon this one. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay. Of a second. 1 by 2 crore 99 lakh 79,000 2,458 of a second. Okay. Then just we can say international system. Okay. 1 upon, it is the length of the path traveled by the light in a vacuum during a time interval of this much of second. Okay. Remember this one. Okay. Subunits. 1 decimeter equal to 10 raised to minus 1 meter. Okay. 1 centimeter 10 raised to minus 2 meter. 1 millimeter equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter. 1 micrometer, nanometer, 1 angstrom, and 1 Fermi. So these are the some considered as too big a unit, so we can use as a sum unit. Okay, 1 decimeter we can use as a 10 to the power minus 1 meter. So you have to remember this one. Okay. Now multiple units of meter. 1 decameter, 10 meter, 1 hectometer, 10 raised to 10 square meter, yeah, 100 meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay. Now some practical unit for large distances we are using. Okay. Now astronomical unit. So 1 astronomical unit is means that it is the mean distance between the center of Earth and Sun. That is 1 AU equal to 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meter. Light year. 1 light year is the distance traveled by the light in vacuum in 1 year. That is 1 light year equal to speed of light in vacuum into time. That is 9.46 into 10 raised to 15 meter. So remember this one. 1 light year equal to 9.46 into 10 raised to 15. Okay. 1 parsec is 3.26 times the light year. Okay. So 1 parsec equal to 3.26 into light year. So remember this one. 1 parsec equal to, you should remember 1 parsec. Okay, equal to 3.08 into 10 raised to 16 meter. Remember, okay. This is the mainly thing for we are talking about the distances. Okay, we are talking about the distances. Now convection in writing the SI units and their symbols. Okay, first one, in writing the value of physical quantity, the number and the units are separated by the space. For example, 100 meter is corrected but not 100 meter. Okay, this is the correct way. No space is given between number and degrees Celsius, minute and second of a given plane angle. The symbol for the unit of quantities which are not named after scientists are written in small letters. See, meter, kilogram and second. Don't write in this way, capital letter, meter, kilogram and second. Okay, remember this one. Okay. And the symbol for the quantity, correct way is to write down meter, kilogram, second. Incorrect is capital letter. The symbol for the unit named after scientists are written with first letter of the name in the capital. For example, the symbol of the unit temperature named after scientist Kelvin is written as K. Similarly, the symbol of the unit of force Newton is written as capital N. Okay, correct way. Scientists K, N, J, Kelvin, Newton and Joule. Can't write down in the small letters K and J. Okay. To write the full name of a unit, the name is always written in small letters. Even the name of scientist. The full name of Kelvin, see correct way, Kelvin, Joule and Newton. Incorrect, Kelvin, Joule and Newton. Don't write in the capital letters. The symbol of the unit is never written in plural, but when written in words, plural is used. For example, symbol for 12 kilograms is 12 kg. Okay. The symbol for the unit is not followed by a full stop. That is, correct is kg, centimeter and second. Kg dot, centimeter dot and s dot is incorrect way. In writing units for physical quantities, symbol should not be mixed. For example, the unit of speed is meter per second. Okay, meter per second, meter per second. See, it's not the way, meter per second. Newton meter, it is Newton meter. Don't write Newton and m. Newton meter. Okay, these are the correct way. Okay, so you should remember these some are the points. Conversion, writing the SI units and their symbols. Okay.